Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your phone. And that's crucial sometimes to reset your phone so you can delete unnecessary files and most importantly, if you have a virus on your phone. So in order to get access to the platform where you can reset your phone, we are going to highlight and go into the setting option of your phone. Now, this is normally located on the first or second page. And here we have settings. After we have found that app or section of your phone or phones, we're going to go in and tap on it. On tapping on it, you'll be taken over to another interface where we have the Huawei ID number and the link that can take you over to purchasing Huawei products and data items online. Now, when you come to this section, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go down to where it says system, system navigation, software updates, about phone, language, and input. Now, after you have gone to this section, you're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, you'll be taken over to the system. Now, this segment of your phone is extremely important. Here you can get information about the type of phone, the serial number for the phone, and various other items. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down so we have the About section at the top, software update. We have system navigation. As you can see, system navigation, we have language input, we have data and time, we have phone cloning, we have backup and restore, and then we have reset. This is what we want, very important. So after we have located the section of resetting, we're going to tap on it. Now, this is where it gets juicy and informative. Now, to reset your phone, you'll have three different forms of resetting options. You have the resetting all setting, then you have the resetting all network setting, then you have the last option is reset phone. Now I'm going to just go through each of them in general so you're aware of what each option offers so you do not make any mistake when you try to reset your phones using one that you should not. And also, it goes back to the core reason for resetting the phone. Okay, so for resetting all setting, this will reset. This will reset all settings. No data or documents will be deleted, which is good. And things to keep in mind, all setting includes the following will be all network settings. For example, if you're using a Zodiac, STC, mobile, all these different types of calling companies, this option will reset the format and the data related to the signals that you're receiving from these telecommunication companies. You have the option of fingerprint resetting, which allows you to lock and unlock your phone. Then the third option, which would be resetted, is face recognition data, which is important. Sometimes you might use your phone to your face to open your phone and to close it. And the last of the four would be lock screen password. So if you choose to do a reset of all settings, keep in mind that all the data that you have gathered will be lost in this process. It will be cleaned for the resetting of all settings. So after that, we're going to go to the other type of resetting, which is called reset network setting. Now this is limited, and in this core of resetting your setting data, you'll be resetting or clearing the data from your Wi-Fi. So you'd have to then enter a new Wi-Fi password so that people can get connected to your phone if you're using your phone as a, say, hotspot, so that people can get internet from your device. Then you'll also be resetting the mobile data, which is here. Then the third is the Bluetooth setting. So these are considered some of the features that will be deleted when you choose reset network settings. And I believe this is to be the third or the least option that you need to think about, because these are just totally say subjective. You don't really need these to do anything great on your phone. These can be replaced or edited anytime. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the other option. Let me just go back. Now here we're gonna go to the last one, which is considered to be the most crucial of all three, and it's called reset phone. This is the most deadly thing that you can do to your phone. If you make anything, if you don't think about it twice, you will be deleting a lot of data from your phone, a lot of pictures that you have stored over a period of time. So please take care when you're selecting this option. So we're going to go deeper into it. So reset phone. Now here, I'm going to read these out to you so you're aware of what we're going to do. Okay. Now here, when you use this option of reset phone, this will erase data from your phone, including your account. So if you're connected to your Gmail account using your phone, this will be deleted. So your Gmail account will no longer be on your phone if you choose to select this option. You'll be deleting all data apps and system settings, which is a headache because you don't want it to do, except if it's extremely important that you do it, because if you feel that your phone is not working properly due to a virus on it or due to too much information, you might want to select this option. The third is install apps. So all apps you have on your phone, whether it be Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. This or these will be deleted when you select this option of reset phone. Also, delete all sounds, music on your phone, all photos, and all internally saved storage data files. And lastly, all your emails are going to go. So be careful when you're choosing this option of resetting your phone in specific. Okay? So again, 3 options. It goes back to what you're in need of. If you're believing that your phone is not working properly and there is a virus on it, and you need to speed up the processing, formatting energy of your phone, you can go to reset phone. Now, if you're going through minor issues that your phone lags now and again, I would recommend that you turn off your phone and turn it on again. Hopefully the settings will go back on point where you can then use your phone efficiently. Other than that, you can do the network settings where you can delete say signals, data related information stored on your phone. And if you choose, you can do the reset all settings, which is also related to the networking. So think about each of these clearly. Feel free to go over the video again and watch and read what I've said about all 3 segments of resetting your phone. Thank you for watching the video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment this video below, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for your time, and chat with you soon. Bye.